Hi, my name is Juanita. Join me on my weekend getaway. I went camping with a black camping group and I had an amazing time there. Back to nature, my first love. Anyways, everyone have a great day.
Every day is a gift, every day is a gift to paint with love and laughter. On the road we find stories, steps that intersect, dreams that intertwine. And in the gaze of a stranger, we find pieces of ourselves. Beautiful life, how beautiful you are. Woven into threads of hope and stars. Every day is a gift, every day is a gift to paint with love and laughter.